Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Have you ever imagined farming as a high-tech industry? Well, buckle up because today, we're diving into some mind-blowing innovations in agriculture that are straight out of a sci-fi movie. First up, we've got autonomous tractors. Yeah, you heard that right, tractors that drive themselves. These bad boys use GPS and advanced sensors to plow, seed, and harvest crops with pinpoint accuracy. They reduce the need for manual labor and increase productivity. Imagine a fleet of these robots working around the clock. That's efficiency on steroids. Next, let's talk about vertical farming. Ever wondered how we can grow fresh vegetables in the heart of a city? Vertical farming is the answer. Picture tall, skyscraper-like structures filled with rows of plants. These farms use LED lights and hydroponics to grow crops without soil. They consume 90% less water and can produce food year-round. Plus, they're pesticide-free. Talk about futuristic farming. Now onto drone technology. Drones are revolutionizing the way farmers monitor their fields. Equipped with high-resolution cameras and sensors, drones can scan large areas of farmland in no time. They can detect issues like pest infestations, water stress, and nutrient deficiencies early on. This means farmers can act quickly to save their crops. It's like having a bird's-eye view of your farm. Let's not forget about smart sensors. These tiny devices can be placed in the soil to monitor moisture levels, temperature, and nutrient content. They send real-time data to farmers, helping them make informed decisions. This technology ensures that plants get exactly what they need, when they need it. It's precision agriculture at its finest. And finally, we have AI and machine learning. These technologies are transforming agriculture in ways we never thought possible. AI can analyze data from various sources, predict weather patterns, and even suggest the best times to plant and harvest. Machine learning algorithms can identify crop diseases and recommend treatments. It's like having a super smart farming assistant by your side. So there you have it, folks. From autonomous tractors to AI, these revolutionary technologies are changing the face of farming. They're making agriculture more efficient, sustainable, and productive. And who knows what the future holds? Maybe one day we'll have farms on Mars. If you found this video as fascinating as I did, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with your fellow tech enthusiasts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.